What's going on, everyone? Yesterday I arrived in Thailand. It's pretty special because this is my 30th country now. I don't know if that's a little mini milestone or whatever, but it's a pretty nice number. Today I'm heading to the city area where there's all the temples. Right now I'm at Wat Arun, one of the temples here in Thailand. By the way, if you're new to the channel, my name is Julian Andrade. I make travel vlogs and travel tips for you guys. So if you're into that stuff, consider subscribing. If you plan on visiting temples pretty much anywhere, make sure you dress appropriately. That means no hats, no sandals, no strapless stuff, no shorts. Some places are more strict than the others. You might be able to get in, you might not be able to. So if you get declined, don't be surprised. It's posted all over the place. Next temple I'm at is Wat Pho. It's one of the largest temples in Bangkok. It's got a huge gold reclining Buddha laying like this, you know, sexy pose kind of thing. Many people that I meet that go to Asia say they're really templed out and sick of seeing the temples, but that's one of my favorite things coming to Asia, because in the US the closest thing we have to that is like those Chinese restaurants that look like some sort of temple. When everyone in town has been a bad boy, very bad boy. The final place I wanted to go to today is closed. Final place I wanted to go to today was closed. I wanted to go to the Grand Palace, so I'm gonna have to check that out another day. That is today's travel vlog. Subscribe for travel tips and more vlogs like this. I'll see you guys soon. Take it away, Manish.
Yeah, I'm engineer. I love Bangkok. Come here, enjoy, and subscribe him. Subscribe his YouTube channel. Good luck.